Hi everyone, it's the girl Kiissi Unstoppable, and today I'm gonna show you how I make plantain porridge. It's my first time doing it, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. So I'm gonna add 2 cups of water in my pot. I'm gonna put a cinnamon stick. I'm gonna put some sea salt, like maybe 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna add some ground nutmeg. And I'm gonna cover it, let it boil. So right here I have 2 green plantain. I'm gonna peel them and I'm gonna slice them, and then I'm gonna take you right through the process. So now I'm gonna peel my plantain. I'm gonna cut it here, and I'm gonna cut this side here. So you wanna peel your plantain, but you don't wanna leave anything on it like that. You know that staying apart. So I'm gonna do it a different way. I'm gonna peel it like this to get off everything. I don't normally peel plantain like this, but I'm gonna do it this way. You see, like this thing here, you don't want this thing on it. This is like the stain. Guys, I don't normally peel plantain like this, but I'm doing it this way to get everything off. And anything like excess thing on it, you just can use a knife and scrape it off. But make sure you get off all those stains. So now I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna put it in the water so it keeps, so that it don't turn brown. So now I have right here 1/2 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of grounded nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So right now I have my blender. I'm gonna put half the amount of the plantain inside. I'm gonna add half the amount of the flour. I'm gonna put the nutmeg. Even though I put it in the water already, I'm still gonna blend it with some cinnamon powder. I'm gonna add to it. And I have 2 cups of water here. I'm gonna use 1 cup to blend. So I'm gonna blend right now. So you wanna make sure that you blend it out real well. Let it be smooth, no lump inside. So I'm gonna blend it one more time. So guys, I finished blending. Look at this. This is how smooth it's supposed to be. No lump. So I'm gonna pour it out inside this bowl. Okay, now that you see my water is boiling, I have my whisk here, because you have to like keep on stirring when you pour the mixture. So I'm gonna pour the mixture in, and you have to keep on stirring because you don't want it to get lumpy. Keep on whisking it. You don't want, because remember you have flour in it and you don't want it to get lumpy. this, guys. That's how smooth it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna leave it. Don't worry if it's too thick, because when you cover the pot, the water, the condensation from the top will fall into the porridge and it will be okay. So I'm gonna cover it for 20 minutes, let it cook for 20 minutes. Within the 20 minutes, you have to keep on stirring, because remember, there's flour inside and you don't want your porridge to get burned. Like this. And at this point, you're gonna turn your stove to medium. Medium. It's not easy to stir this. Guys, this is my first time making plantain porridge. I never made this before, and I never had plantain porridge before. So as I said, guys, within the 20 minutes, you have to keep on stirring. How smooth that porridge is. My God, looks so nice. So now, guys, I'm gonna add some coconut milk, not too much, just to give a different taste. Like, this is like quarter cup of coconut milk, and you keep on whisking it, because remember, you don't want no lump in your porridge when you're eating your porridge, drinking your porridge. Look how smooth this is. Got that? I'm gonna add some brown sugar. First I ever put sugar in my porridge. It's always milk, but today I'm gonna put some brown sugar. And you can taste along. I'm gonna put the rest. This is like quarter cup of sugar. Wow. I'm gonna put some almond, just a tip. Oh, it's finished. I'm gonna put everything. A tip of rose water, just a tip, and keep on whisking. I'm gonna add some vanilla. I'm gonna tip a little more vanilla. Now guys, I'm gonna add my sweetener. I use a knife to cut the milk. I don't know, it's like a bad habit. I have a opener, but it's like I'm going the traditional way. I always use a knife to open the can, and I have a can opener. Look how smooth this porridge is. Guys, now it's finished. My plantain porridge is finished. So I'm gonna share a bowl and let you guys see how smooth my plantain porridge is. Wow. So now I'm gonna share a bowl. Look how creamy this porridge is and smooth. For my first time, I did a pretty awesome job. Guys, that's the finished product of my plantain porridge. Look at it. It looks so delicious and it tastes delicious. For my first time, look at that. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Okay, enough is enough. Okay guys, all I want you guys to do is like this video, share this video out, comment down below, tell me what you think about this lovely bowl of plantain porridge, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you know each time I upload a video. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do so on your way out. And you can also hit me up on Instagram at kiissikitchen. That's kiissikitchen on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you guys like this video. Until next time, I'm out.